Seedance 2.5 is officially launched, and we are going to explore this together. This is a game changer for AI content creators who are into action movies, cinematic movies, realistic movies. Before we can talk about if it is free or paid, let's take a look at the demo on their platform, because I know that some platforms will integrate this Seedance 2.5, right? In order for you not to miss any of the updates, like the video and subscribe. Stay tuned, so when it is out, you'll be the first to know. And guys, without much ado, let's create something together on this platform.
I went on to X to find their official page, and I discovered that Seedance 2.5 is globally launched and is now live. And guys, the result is incredibly insane. Okay, so as at the moment, the Seedance 2.5 is available on this website. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video also, right? Now, for us to experiment and see the quality, the demo on the official website. Now, let's create something for us to really see. I'm going to open my CapCut. Because I have access to this, look at it here. Once I open my CapCut, you're going to see AI video. Let's see how much credit this is going to cost us, right? Now, look at what it says here. Let's open this. It says Seedance 2.5 is here, right? Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is here. All of them are pro features. So let's see if we'll be able to create something. Now, to create something is 320 credits left. Okay, so I have some credits remaining, right? So let's just give something. You can use image to video, try for free, and then you can use omni reference. You can use text to video. So let's try text to video. I'm just going to describe something. Just give it something. Okay, so because I don't have a detailed prompt, I'm just going to give this simple. Okay, just this simple thing. Let me see the quality. Okay, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. And guys, can you see this? Now let's play this. But it literally gave me 10 seconds, not the 30 seconds that I required, because I infused in the prompt 30 seconds, but it's generating 10 seconds. You can see that, right? This is literally a game changer to be very honest with you, right? From the demo to what I just created now, this is a game changer for AI content creators who are basically creating cinematic and action movies. You can see it costs 320 credits to generate 10 seconds long video. Okay, the second example we'll be looking at is going to be a dialogue scene. Okay, so let's see the quality of dialogue and the sound. So after I've given my prompt, right, I need a 15 seconds high. Okay, so now let's go ahead and generate. I'm still going to use 320 credits. So let's see what is going to come out.
Washing your entire car every time it gets a little dusty is a complete waste of time. This ceramic detailer encapsulates surface Durgum to slide right off, protecting your finish and keeping that slick mirror shine. Grab yours today.
That is amazing. But I requested for 15 seconds and it's still giving me 10 seconds. This is fantastic, guys. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video.
So if you've watched it this time, I have a question for you. Do you think that Seedance 2.5 is overhyped? Or do you think it's a game changer for content creators? Guys, until then, see you in the next one.